Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe Coupe. Very fun little car to add to our collection here at Skyway Classics. This one we have here featuring a purple, I like to say grape exterior. As you do see, it has the torque thrust American racing wheels on it with the black and white letter, or I should say white line style tire. Now as you may look from its stance, it does sit a little low, but thanks to modernized suspension, she does ride like a champ. As we can see, moving on to the interior now, it is an automatic on the floor. You can definitely tell they made perfection to detail here. As you can see, we got an aftermarket style cluster, a late model Kenwood's audio system, but one of the nicest features is the little pocket watch you see right there in the glove box. Somebody definitely made that to perfection there. But other than that, we got the twin leather bucket seats with the actual headrest. We have the back seat, but you're probably wondering where the seats are. They are just folded up right there. Those come down. Other than that, you have your basic function just as the crank windows. You even have the little vent windows, which do work. Other than that, you have tilt column because this is an aftermarket column. As you see, they made a little few switches here for the headlights, wipers. Even added vintage AC, which you can see clearly on the bottom, and a late model Sun Pro Tack. Moving underneath the hood, which the hood actually opens from both sides. So you always be careful when you open up, because back in the day, you wouldn't actually lift both sides, but one at a time. This one actually has a crate small block Chevy in it. You can see they chromed out the valve covers, air cleaner, has a Edelbrock carburetor with choke, and I believe it does have a new style distributor to help start, especially down here in Florida. You know how heat and cold always messes up the weather for these older cars, but they always drive to perfection around here. But as for now though, we are just going to get it turned around and up on the hoist, so please stay tuned and see the underneath.